How to verify your Google Business Profile. So the first step is to simply search for Google Business Profile and then click on the first link. Then you're gonna get redirected here. So simply click on this button, which is the Manage Now button, and then you're gonna get redirected here. Now you can see that my business isn't verified, so I'm gonna have to get verified. So in order to do that, you're gonna have to click on get verified, and there are a few options to do that. So as you can see, the first one is business video. So record the video of your business, show your location, equipment, and proof of management. Your video is only used for verification and won't be shown publicly. Now, if you click on more option here, you should see more option, but for me, I only have this one here. So you're gonna have to click on next, then you're gonna have to scroll down, and as you can see here, you're gonna have to capture all the requirements in one continuous recording. So your location should match your business profile address, example street sign, nearby businesses. Your business name and category should match your business profile, example business exterior and interior, products or equipment. And you're authorized to represent this business, so unlocking store entrance, operating payment tool, and proof of address. You're gonna have to make all these three things in a video. So after that, so click on next, and as you can see, you're gonna have this option to start the recording, or you can change the option to do another way of verifying your business. But for me, it's working only this one here. So simply click on start recording, and then you're gonna have to simply scan this QR code if you are using a computer like I do, and use your phone to scan this QR code, and then you can start recording directly. And basically that's all you have to do in order to verify your business profile. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.